Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I know most of us spend more time at home right now, so why not take this chance to give yourself some self-care and pampering once in a while. So if you're interested, get yourself a cup of coffee and stay tuned. So here are some self-care must-haves and must-tries from Amazon that you can use in the comfort of your own home. The first one is this wax warmer kit from the brand 𝓸𝓻𝓭𝓮. Since I started waxing, I have been wanting a wax warmer that is convenient to use, and I'm very happy that 𝓸𝓻𝓭𝓮 is very kind enough to send me one for free. They also gave me a 10% discount code for you guys to use. So if you guys don't know, I have been waxing for many years now. Trust me, I have saved so much money by doing it at home. So let me show you what's inside the box. This kit can also be used in waxing eyebrows, upper lip, chin, cheeks, and bikini area. Waxing has never been this easy, so if you guys want to wax at home, you should definitely get this. I highly recommend it, super affordable and works wonders. Aside from waxing, you can also do your nails at home. It may not be as perfect as a salon's, but we have plenty of time to practice. Nice thing is, if you don't like the color of your nails, you can change it right away without spending more money. So I got this 2-pieces nail tool that helps you clean your nails, 4 different heads that you can use as a cuticle pusher and nail polish scraper. And as for nail polish, I got mine from LA Colors and 𝓂𝓸𝓻𝓮. But if you're someone who prefers doing at-home gel nails, you might like this one. Next, we have here DIY face mask mixing tools. This is super affordable. The set comes with a sponge, small container, spatula, there's brush, there's also spray bottle, scoops, and mixing bowl. And lastly, I found this facial steamer set on Amazon that I'm planning to get this coming Black Friday. It comes with a facial steamer, hairband, and 4 pieces blackhead remover kit. It is a great tool that you can add in your skincare routine. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. All the products mentioned are linked down below, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below so you won't miss any of my future uploads. I hope after this video you will do something nice to yourself, a reward for yourself, and a little bit of pampering because you deserve it. So I'll see you again next time. Bye!